What is wrong with you? Why did you hit me?
Temagai, moro undona?
What do you mean by can I see you? And why are you dressed up like this? Are you going for Halloween or something?
Zeni di kodo undona?
This must be a prank. Hello ma, please excuse me.
Yes.
Are you not seeing this girl standing here?
See who?
This girl standing here now.
Which girl? I can't see anybody.
I mean this girl standing here.
Girl? Ha! I can't see anybody. Are you out of your mind?
Palibe wina alisanga ndone kubarwa iweyo.
What?
Chifuwe nendi nzimu, ndino wakufa.
Here it goes! She's a ghost!
Ghost?
She's a ghost! She's a ghost! She's a ghost!
Tedikira, chondo satawa. Ndikufuna tanizo lako. Tedikira, osatawa.
You! A ghost!